News coming in now. Sources are telling your channel that cracks are appearing within the Aam Aadmi Party Maharashtra unit as two members along with over 150 supporters are on the verge of quitting and joining the rebel camp of Swaraj Samvad. We have Pooja with more details in just a bit, but Swaraj Samvad, which was formed by the rebel duo Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav, has been attracting those from the Aam Aadmi Party who are not happy with the leadership. We have Pooja with more details. Yes, Pooja. Pooja, if you can hear me, it's a big jolt to the Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, if there are 150 supporters leaving his Maharashtra unit.
That's right. At 5 p.m. there is going to be a press conference in Pune, and over 150 volunteers and 2 to 3 members who were the faces of Maharashtra unit are going to put forth their resignation. In fact, Maruti Bhapkar and 2 more, including Pranav Kamble, are expected to put forth their resignation at 5 p.m. officially in Pune. This is going to be definitely a big jolt, because if there is actually going to be 150 volunteers, the ground caught or disillusioned with the leadership that has decided to resign, it can in fact create more problems for the party, which is planning to go national. Mayank Gandhi, who was in fact the most important face, is still in the party. Mayank Gandhi has refused to resign, but I am being told that other state committee members, 2 to 3 members who were faces, and over 100 to 150 volunteers will definitely put forth their resignation at 5 p.m.
So also, Pooja, the fact, as you rightly pointed out, the Aam Aadmi Party prides itself on the grassroots workers and the grassroots unit that it has. And if there are 150 workers leaving it, it's a big boost also to the new unit which has been formed of Swaraj Samvad for Prashant Bhushan and Yogendra Yadav.
Absolutely. In fact, some of these members were visibly present and had in fact expressed support for Swaraj Samvad. And even before that, the rebel camp, which was headed by Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan. And this is the moment which perhaps the Aam Aadmi Party did not want. It was a controversy that they expected that would quietly die down. But these resignations and mass coming forth.
So essentially what Yogendra Yadav had said, that sudharenge or sudharenge is what the Swaraj Samvad stands for. Do we see more factions of Aam Aadmi Party following the suit of the Maharashtra unit?
Well, there is definitely word coming from the regions where Yogendra Yadav had a very strong hold. There could be resignations perhaps coming forth from Haryana as well, where there was this loyalty base for Yogendra Yadav, but there's no confirmation yet on that. But I can tell you that from several regions, more resignations could be expected of volunteers.
But clearly a reflection of the discontent which is within the party against the top leadership in the Aam Aadmi Party.